So this is the method to solve a quadratic equation, which is the formula method. So in the formula method, we will first find the discriminant, which is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. And since we know that a quadratic formula has two roots, the roots being minus b plus or minus root d by 2a. So now let me explain you with an example. So here the example is x square minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. Firstly, let me write the values of a, b and c. A is 1, b is minus 6 and c is 4. So first we'll find the discriminant, which is b square minus 4 into a into c. So minus 6 whole square is 36, minus 4 into 4 is 16. So discriminant is 20. Now to find the roots, minus b, the value of b is minus 6, plus or minus root d, which is 20, by 2 into a is 1. So minus into minus gives us 6, plus or minus root 20. Now how can we write 20? So let us find the factors for 20. 2 tens are 2 5s, 5 1s. So 2 into 2 into 5 gives us 20. So we can just write this as 2 root 5. 2 root 5 is basically root 20. How did we get this is, now root 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5. So this one I can further write as 2 square into root 5. So the square and root gets cancelled. So 2 is free from root and 5 has a root. So 2 root 5 divided by 2. Now, can I take 2 common on the numerator? Yes, we can. So to further simplify, so if I take 2 common, I get 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So we have 2 roots, 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5. So this is using the quadratic formula. Thank you.